Well, I'm getting close for sure to put this garden soil down now. This is done. This is done. And I can adjust those a little lower if I want. Got this covered up. Got this all covered up over here. Got this covered up. Got this fixed over here. I'll show you what I did. Over in here, I just put these rocks here, and I got a 2-gallon bubbler there and a 2-gallon bubbler there. That's how much should be coming out of a 2-gallon bubbler. And I went over here, fixed a couple things over here. Got that one. See, that's a 1-gallon bubbler. I put a 2-gallon bubbler here because this is a black Tartarian cherry tree. That's going to get bigger. Could I put a 1-gallon there? Yeah, probably. I decided to put a 2. And lo and behold, there's another sprayer here. And you can hear the sprinkler valve over here. That's the one that's on right now. There's 5 sprinkler valves over there. See, so I know there's 5 stations. And these from here that way are to the front yard. So could I change this if I was energetic enough to change that? See how it just stops right to there? Kaboing. That is really for that. And I'm not sure if there's a bubbler. See? You should have at least a 1-gallon per hour bubbler there. A 1-gallon here. A 1-gallon here. My word, look how big that bush is. Or a 2-gallon. You can put a 2-gallon bubbler there. And there might be a sprayer in there. I'm just going to leave this for the time being. I've got to finish. And I know I've got plenty of water pressure over here now. Man. All these things that I had to do just to do the work over here. And that's what's going to happen to your projects. They morph into something a bit beyond what you were planning, but stick with it. I know you can get it all done just like me. Okay, all this looks really good. Oh, I poked in a sprayer. I poked in a sprayer over here, and I think, I don't know if I got it off or, oh yeah, see, and I'll readjust that. I had it off, and I'll readjust it to spray up that way. And I'm not sure what's going on with this. Do you see that? It seems like there's a little bit of extra water there, and this was an old line that I used from there over to here. Okay, and maybe it's got a pinhole in it right there. I'll probably check that out too. It could have a pinhole in it. That's what happens sometimes when you use old sprinkler lines, but I feel pretty happy with all the stuff that I've got done thus far. Now see, I just replaced this bubbler, and it just so happened to have a coupling on there, so I didn't need that, and that bubbler is a bad one now. I'm going to throw that away, and then I'm just going to take this off, and I'm trying to be careful not to hit that edge. So I can save this for another time. Come on. Okay. So I can save this coupling and stick it in my bag over there, and she can use it next time. You know, if you're running low on couplings or or anything for that matter. You need to save your old parts. But I know good and well I'm never going to use this one, so bye-bye.